All right, the show you know. So we've got letter tiles, S, N, O, and W that are placed into a bag. So we're putting snow in a bag. What is the probability of choosing a W from the bag? Write the answer as a fraction, a ratio, and a percent. Okay, so we know that in order to calculate the probability of a W, we need to look at the number of W's that are in the bag and then the total number of letters. And in this case, S, N, O, and W, there's one W in there. So one W. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in total. So we're going to put a 4 on the bottom. So the probability of pulling out a W is 1 divided by 4. Now if you punch 1 divided by 4 into your calculator, you're going to end up with 0.25. And then to turn that into a percent, we're going to multiply it by 100. So 0.25 times 100 becomes 25%. So let's summarize this. The probability of choosing a W is, as a fraction, we said it was 1 over 4. As a ratio, it becomes 1 to 4. And as a percent, it's 25%. So there's that part. Now let's have a look at A, or B. What is the probability of choosing a consonant from the bag? Well, consonants in S, N, O, and W, there's 3 of them. The S, the N, and the W. So the number of consonants is 3. And the number of letters hasn't changed. It is still 4. So here we've got the probability of an S, or an N, or a W is 3 over 4. Once you divide that on your calculator, 3 divided by 4, you end up with 0.75. To convert that to a percent, multiply it by 100, and you end up with 75%. So, as a fraction, that's 3 over 4. As a ratio, it's 3 to 4. And as a percent, it's 75%. So that is the probability of choosing a consonant when you've got the letters S, N, O, and W.